Wow! What is this? A fright factory? No! With this factory, we can study insects and even animals. Let's open it. Here we have instructions. And here we have a laboratory where we will create our animals.
Whoa!
How interesting! These gels will help us in creation. Take a stencil and apply the gel. We get a purple bat, a green caterpillar, and a purple snake.
Aha! Whoa!
Wow, so cool!
Blue, blue coloring must be my friend. My friend is blue. Peek-a-boo. Oh no, what is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gone. Help me out. Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow.
Oh no!
Let's take a bite.
What? Oh.
We will draw a nice color. Here you go. Funny colors, yay, yay, yay. Colors everywhere, hooray.
Wow!
If you lose the color, what do? It's so hard to put a window on my pretty princess tower. Little fingers, time to show out. You can all work together and help me out. Family fingers helping each other. We're such a great team. We are all we need. Family fingers helping each other. We're such a great team. We are all we need. Oh no, oh no. Someone ruined my cake. I feel so angry, Someone ate my cake. Oopsie, oopsie, I know this feeling. I will take it away. Playing with that is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Where is the water? Who's he right now?
Wow! Aha!
Catch
Where?
you. Run, run, run.
Circle.
Playing with mud is so much fun.
Triangle.
Playing with mud is so much fun.
Fantastic!
See?
Oh no. Oops.
Whoa!
Pizza party,
Whoa!
yay, yay, yay. Pizza party, hooray, hooray. Bell, I can see
What?
an ice cream truck. Hold on, wait for me.
Aha!
I want one too, please.
Red,
I'm so sorry.
yellow,
Ice cream
turquoise,
is closed.
blue,
You have to wait
Uh-huh.
Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day.
Excellent. Yikes.
Oh, someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes.
Whoa.
Police officer is on the
Whoa. Wow. Great. Aww.
Playing with that is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run, run, run. Uh-oh. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
Whoa.
Playing with mud is so much fun.
Fantastic.
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
Whoa.
Tickly runny nose makes me sneeze very loud. Boogers are so yucky, sticky, gooey, gluey, and so drippy. Baby, have some medicine. It will take the boogers away. Medicine is good for you when you're not feeling okay. Yay! Tickly runny nose makes me sneeze very loud. Booger, I'm so scared. Look at that. Oh no, oh no, no.
1, 2, 3, 7, 8.
I am so afraid.
Time for a shot, it doesn't hurt at all.
It's spooky. I'm so terrified.
Wow.
Time
Brushing
for a
teeth.
shot, just stay still. It's just a pinch, you won't feel a thing.
Lunch.
I am shaking. Look
Whoa.
Run, run, run.
Fantastic.
Oh no, oh no. Someone ruined my cake. I feel so angry, feel so angry.
Seriously?
Someone ate my cake. Oopsie,
Aha.
all this feeling I will
Ice.
take it away.
Hot water.
Now
Balloon.
you have no emotions in your face. Hooray,
Fantastic.
hooray. It's such a great day. I feel so
Whoa.
happy.